Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good, thank you.
What are you doing today?
I am going to school.
That's nice.
What about you?
I am going to the market.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Are you feeling well?
Yes, I feel well.
Is this your book?
Yes, it is my book.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I read every day.
What are you reading?
I am reading a story.
Is it interesting?
Yes, it is interesting.
Do you like stories?
Yes, I like stories.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
That is nice.
Thank you.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
Which game do you like?
I like simple games.
Do you have time now?
Yes, I have time.
Let's talk in English.
Yes, let's talk.
English is easy.
Yes, English is easy.
Practice every day.
Yes, I will.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too.
Are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
What time is it?
It is 6 o'clock.
Is it late?
No, it is early.
Do you want tea?
Yes, I want tea.
Do you like coffee?
No, I like tea.
Shall we sit here?
Yes, let's sit here.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is free.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Let's eat something.
That sounds good.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I like rice.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
The food is ready.
Great!
Let's start eating.
Yes, let's eat.
Is the food tasty?
Yes, it is tasty.
I like this food.
Me too.
Thank you for the meal.
You are welcome.
I feel happy.
I feel happy too.
Let's talk again.
Yes, let's talk again.